Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kestri. In this session, we will learn about some more attribute of table type. See, cell padding and cell spacing. Cell padding is used to specify the space between the edges of the cell and cell content in terms of pixels. We can set the cell padding with the cell padding attribute of the table type. The space between the border of cell can be specified by using cell spacing, and this can be done with the cell spacing attribute of the table type. Now, create a table for customer detail. Right here HTML, head, write title. Now give a title, close title tag. Now close head tag, open body tag and open table tag. Now write here tr for first row and write here th for heading of the column. First write serial number, second column write customer name, open th tag and write here gender of the customer, close th tag. Now close tr tag, add another row here, write td for entering data, write serial number 1, write here name of the customer, close td tag. Now write gender m for male, close td tag. Now close tr tag, copy it and paste it. Now change serial number to 2, change name to Sonu and gender is same. Now close table tag, close body tag and close HTML tag. Save it. Okay. Now run this customer.html. See, this is our table. Okay. Add caption for this table. Close caption tag. Okay. Now add border to the table. Border color. Okay. Now see, write here cell padding and write cell padding equals to 6. Save it and refresh it. Sorry. Sorry. Remove it from here and write here. Okay. Now first remove this. Save it and run it. See, here we are seeing the color of border is blue. Now Right here cell padding equals to 6. Save it and refresh it. See, the distance between this border edges and the cell content has increased now. Okay. Now right here cell padding. Okay. Save it. Run it. Do it. 8. Save it. Run it. Sorry. Right here cell spacing. Save it and run it. Now see, the space between the border of the cell can be specified by using cell space, and this can be set with the cell spacing attribute of the table type. Okay. Now spanning row and column. While working with tables, cells need to be combined together as required. This process of combining two or more cells into one is called spanning cell. The vertical spanning of cells is called row span, and the horizontal spanning of the cell is called col span. Now see, span cells vertically by using the row span attribute within the TD or TS tag. The row span attribute requires a number that is equal to the number of cells we want to combine vertically. Span cells horizontally by using the cos span attribute within the TD or TS tag. The cos span attribute requires a number that is equal to the number of cells we want to combine horizontally. Now, open your text editor. Remove it and write here row span. Okay, right here. Sorry. Right here. Row span equals to 2. Save it. Refresh it. See here. Here two columns, two rows have combined together. Okay. Now right here do it, col span, save it and run it. See, now here two columns have combined together. This is effect of col span. Friends, if you have any type of doubt related to table tag, then knock me on comment section. Thank you.